Do you know what foods you should avoid if you have hypercholesterolemia? Let's dive into this. Hypercholesterolemia, in simpler terms, is high cholesterol. It's a condition where there is too much cholesterol in your blood. Now, why is it essential to manage it? It's because cholesterol can build up on the walls of your arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, a form of heart disease. Over time, these deposits grow, narrowing your arteries, which can lead to a heart attack or stroke. High cholesterol doesn't usually have any symptoms, so it's often undiagnosed until a person has a heart attack or stroke. That's why it's so important to be proactive and get your cholesterol checked regularly. The foods you eat can significantly impact your cholesterol levels. Some foods can increase your cholesterol, while others can help lower it. So, it's crucial to know what foods to avoid if you have hypercholesterolemia. Stay tuned. First on the list are foods high in saturated and trans fats. You might be wondering, why are these types of fats a concern? Well, they play a significant role in raising the level of LDL, or what we typically refer to as bad cholesterol, while simultaneously lowering the level of HDL, known as the good cholesterol in our bodies. So what are some of these foods that we should be wary of? Fried foods, for instance, are notorious culprits. From your favorite fast food fries to that crispy fried chicken, they are all loaded with these unhealthy fats. Another category to watch out for is fatty meats, including cuts like prime rib and T-bone steaks. And let's not forget full-fat dairy products. Yes, that means whole milk, butter, and regular cheese. Remember, these foods can significantly increase your cholesterol levels, so it's best to avoid them. Taking steps towards a healthier diet can make a world of difference in managing your cholesterol levels. Next, we have foods that are naturally high in cholesterol. You might be surprised to hear that some of these cholesterol-rich foods also provide important nutrients. Take organ meats, for instance. Foods like liver and kidneys are packed with vitamins and minerals, but they also have a high cholesterol content. Similarly, shellfish, including shrimp, lobster, and crab, are excellent sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. But guess what? They too are high in cholesterol. Then, there's the humble egg yolk, a powerhouse of nutrients. Egg yolks are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. However, they are also known for their high cholesterol content. Now here's the takeaway: you don't have to completely eliminate these foods from your diet. Rather, the key is moderation. By limiting your intake of these foods, you can maintain a healthy cholesterol level and still enjoy their nutritional benefits. So, while you don't have to eliminate these foods entirely, you should certainly limit your intake. Let's not forget about processed foods and sugary drinks. Now, these types of foods are often high in trans fats, a type of fat that can increase your bad cholesterol levels while decreasing your good cholesterol. This creates a double whammy effect on your heart health. Moreover, these foods and drinks can also lead to weight gain, another significant risk factor for high cholesterol. You see, when we consume more calories than we burn, our body stores these extra calories as fat. This excess fat can raise your cholesterol levels, putting you at risk of heart disease. But here's the kicker: trans fats can be hidden. They often lurk in the ingredient lists of your favorite snacks, disguised as partially hydrogenated oils. So it's crucial to become a label detective when you're out shopping. Understand what you're putting in your body. So, it's a good idea to limit your consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks. It's not just about living longer, but living well. So, there you have it. The primary foods to avoid if you have hypercholesterolemia. Let's take a quick recap. We've learned that foods high in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol-laden foods, and processed foods and sugary drinks can all contribute to increased cholesterol levels. But don't despair, there's a buffet of healthier alternatives out there. You can replace these potentially harmful foods with fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods not only help manage your cholesterol levels, but also provide numerous other health benefits. Incorporating these healthy foods into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise, can work wonders for your overall health, especially your heart. After all, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making smarter choices. Remember, managing your cholesterol is a crucial step in maintaining your heart health. So, make smart food choices and your heart will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others make healthier food choices too.